Hi, today I'd like to go over installing a Anode for the water heater in my Bigfoot camper. It's Camco is the name of it, and it's a 4.5-inch Anode rod with a drain. So this is it here. It looks pretty good. The hot water tank I have is an Atwood, and they say the Atwoods don't need a Anode, which this is the Anode, sacrificial material. This will corrode before your hot water tank corrodes. I think they might be right. This unit, I haven't owned it since new, but it only had a plug, no Anode, and typically they're either where the plug is or there's a separate connection for an Anode. So I think this one doesn't need it, but it doesn't hurt, and there's a reason why I bought it. And the other thing I liked about this is it has a drain, so you don't have to take it out every year. You can just open up the drain to drain it. Might be still a good idea to take it out to flush it properly, because there is a restriction where the holes are. It might not flush really well. So at the end of the year I'll probably pull the whole thing out, but if I just want to drain it after a weekend, this would make it really easy just to open up this. And I tightened this up already with a 9/16 wrench and a backup 7/8, and this is a 1/2-inch thread. And it's always good to wrap some Teflon tape on it or some thread compound, preferably something Teflon based. I'm a plumber by trade, so this is something that I've done 1,000 times. So I usually wrap it 3 times. 3 to 4 times is enough. Any more, it'll start to bind up and lose its effectiveness. Some people will put pipe dope on here as well. I will sometimes as well, but here I'm not going to. So basically just it'll slide in. How easy you can see this. So that's what it looks like. Pretty straightforward. I'll go ahead and tighten that up. And just keep snugging it up. There's a little tight in here. There, it should be good. Test it once, get water in it. If I have to snug it up a little bit, I can. Don't want to over tighten it and damage it. So that's it. Real easy install, and we're ready for the first camping trip here. Here's the model. Hopefully it focuses. Here's the model of my tank. So that does it for this little install. Got a few more things coming. So this is video number 2, and we'll keep doing these little videos till the Bigfoot reno is complete. Thanks for watching.